Hey dear. Alright, it's 5:40 on Friday. I'm at Thomas's house. We're going to the Buffalo in Arkansas to go kayaking. So, gotta get going and we'll get this party moving. Alright. Alright, got the Thomas. We got the coffee. Now we're hitting the road. So let's go.
Adios, amigo.
Alright, we're now Louisiana, whatever you want to call it.
Louisiana.
What he said. Still got about 4 hours to go. Gonna be dark soon. Getting there, slowly but surely. Alright, we're now in Arkansas. We're in Lake Village. We've been through a bunch of rain. I think we're about halfway to Little Rock. It's gonna be a bit more of a journey, and then we'll get to my parents' house. Hang in there. Alright, we made it to Little Rock. It's like 12:30 at night. Going to bed. We have to get up in the morning and drive to the river, so good night. See you in the morning. Alright, it's now morning. I'm gonna go get coffee. There's my dad.
There's a dirty dog.
There's Shuka. Alright, going to go get coffee and get everything unloaded from here, and then all this stuff, and get it loaded on that trailer so we can get ready to go. I'll get some breakfast. Tommy's in the shower, so you know me, I want coffee. So let's go. We're officially on the road, and with pretty much no help from me. Alright, so we're gonna stop, get breakfast, get some food, and head to the river. So
We'll call you when we're off road.
just had breakfast at the Wagon Wheel Restaurant. Where are we at?
In Greenbrier.
Greenbrier, Arkansas. Nice, good country people. Out of 10, I'd give it a 7 for breakfast.
Oh, well,
7.
Good.
It was good.
Sausage was actually cooked, not under.
Wagon Wheel. Stopped at the Walmart, got supplies. Now we gotta load it all in the truck. And next stop will be the river.
Here's what I want to do.
Load it up onto the river. Again. Alright, made it to the campsite. Got everything set up, tents up, kayaks are loaded in the truck. We're gonna go try to get on the river and take a quick ride.
Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. We'll get it down there for you. Appreciate it. I said y'all always done a good job before.
On the road again. Just can't wait to be on the road again.
Y'all don't mind the dog barking, do you? Because he's going to be barking all night.
That heard me snoring, yeah.
Yeah, really.
At the river. Gotta get help pulling my kayak down. That will be just a couple minutes. But ready to go. It's supposed to be like a 3-hour tour or a 3-hour ride. Normally when we come up here it's about 6 or 7 hours because it's about 7 miles, but the river is usually pretty low, and right now it's really high. But this should be fun. I'm excited. I've been looking forward to this. River's so fast today. There's our campsite way up there. Usually all of this is much bigger. Doing nothing but cruising. Dad, Tommy. Don't even have to paddle. Stopped on the shore, fly the drone a little bit, pick up rocks, really see how fast this river is moving. Alright, day one kayaking done. We made it to shore just fine. Dad's backing the truck down right now to load up. We're gonna go back to the campsite to make some dinner. Load it up. Let's go eat. Alright, it's late. We're going to bed.
Good night.
Good night.